Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and open a Webull account. So it's pretty simple. So here, all you have to do is go to the webull.com and sign up. So here, by signing up, you can just use your phone number and it will send a verification code to you guys. Or you can even use your Facebook or your Google. It's just that simple. There's no more and any type of login that's very harsh or very long. All you need is your number or your email. It's just that simple. So once you have logged in, it's just that simple. Just that. Literally, just enter a password, enter a phone number, then you're okay. From there, you'll be able to use your Webull from there. So there you go, guys. That is how you create and open a Webull account in just 1 minute. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.